Okay, back to unit conversion. When I teach math classes, students almost always tell me word problems are their downfalls, the hardest part. And they are difficult. I'm not going to argue that. A lot of words, a lot of values given, you need to convert them into equations. And that's the hard part. The hard part is reading through the words and getting an equation written down. If you look at units and think in terms of unit conversion, that will help significantly. And so here's what I mean by this. Here's this word problem, and I've given you an equation, and I want to know, is the following equation valid? And I look through, all right, C. I read through the problem. C is the total cost. So C, cost, is in money. Equals the number 161. The number 161 is money per credit hour. So that's money per hour. And then H, I got to read through the problem. I got to find H. Let H be the number of hours. So H is hours. So right now things are looking good because the hours reduce. Hours are on top, hours are on bottom, and I have money equals money plus 30. $30 per semester. All right, so that's just money. That's $30. I should just write the units, I guess. It's $30 that you're going to have to pay for that one semester. So that's still good. I have money equals money plus money plus 4.75. 4.75 is an activity fee. Dollars per credit hour. Dollars per hour. So that would tell me that this equation is wrong because I have money, dollars, equals dollars plus dollars plus dollars per hour. I need money equals money. I can't have dollars per hour over here. It also kind of tells me how to fix this problem. To fix this problem, I need to get rid of this divide by hours, so I need to multiply by hours. That's H. So the correct equation should be C equals 161H plus 30 plus 4.75H. Okay, so by looking at the units, if you have an equation written down, you can almost always look at the units and tell if your equation is right. All right, homework. Try that with number 6. Tell me if that equation is valid or not. All right, now let's look at number 7. A driver fills her 12-gallon gasoline tank and drives at a constant speed. The car, that's not a can, that's a car. The car consumes 0.04 gallons per mile. Let G be the number of gallons of gasoline remaining in the tank after she has driven D miles. Determine an equation relating G and D and check using unit analysis. All right, so what I would do is I would write down what I know. I know G is in gallons. And then I have this number here, 0.04 is in gallons per mile. And I have the letter D. D is in miles. So, looking at these things, how can I make an equation where the units match up? Well, I think I want G equals 0.04 D. Because my units would then be over here, I would have gallons equals gallons per mile, and here I have mile. Miles cancel out, I get gallons equals gallons, so I'm pretty sure that's a valid equation. Alright, let's try the same thing with number 8. The number of U.S. patent applications was 214,000 applications in 2007 and has increased by 10.9 thousand applications per year. Let T be the number of years since 2007 and P be the number of patent applications. Write an equation relating T and P. Alright, so P, the units on that is number of apps. T, the other letter T, because I want an equation with P and T. T was years. Then I have some numbers here. I have 241.3 thousand apps. And then I have 10.9 thousand apps per means divide, year. Alright, so I want an equation that has P's and T's in it. Well, what I see is I have apps and apps, so those can be equal. Apps would equal apps. And then I have this one which has apps per year, so if I want apps and apps and apps, I need to get rid of the years. So it looks like it should be P equals 241.3, so that's apps equals apps, plus this one is 10.9, and that would be apps per year. So to get rid of the per year, I need to multiply by year. Okay, and you can write down the unit analysis on that and make sure it works, but I promise you that it does. Alright, so your last homework problem for this is number 9. Take a look at number 9, write down all the variables, write down all the numbers.